I started Anomalie because I couldn't find my perfect wedding dress. When I got engaged, at the time I was working in China quite a bit and went shopping for my wedding dress in America and was just really horrified by the experience. One, it was very, very expensive. And second, on the same token, I was also very particular about what I wanted. I was being really picky. Did a little bit of research, and the city nearby, Shanghai, actually makes like 80% of the world's wedding dresses. So I visited and was just completely enamored. I made my wedding dress with one of the workshops there and was very impressed by the price, but also the end result, which was all the elements that I wanted. And then the quality was outstanding. Almost immediately, engaged friends were begging me to, make their dresses next time I went over to China. And then a week passed and it was friends of friends cold emailing me. And then another week passed and it was friends of friends of friends. And so it was very clear that other women were feeling this same frustration. Our mission is not to just sell set designs of wedding dresses. We're here to connect with women and revolutionize fit and the manufacturing of custom garments.